What are you doing? Where'd the music go?
We were just...
How did you do that?
Yeah, how did you do that?
It's voice activated.
Sweet! So we can play anything we want?
Yeah. Just not that, okay? Please, just not that.
Well, what are you gonna do?
Well,
It's Britney, bitch.
Oh, hell no! I learned to think your answer. Really? Sorry! What? No, you are disgraceful. I don't know how to dance. Ready? Mosh! Well then, I see somebody's irritated. Anyway, bye. An hour or so, or how long has it been?
I think it's been 3, actually.
Great.
I have no idea where she is.
Lexi?
Yeah?
Where have you been? Oh yeah, I was like, the Cinco de Mayo stuff. It's not Cinco de Mayo. What is this? What is that?
No?
Yes, mine. Yes. Mine. No, like that girl. I'll put baby in a corner. My hat will be in the corner. That's your jacket. Yeah, bitch, bring that back. I don't know the rest of the Lexi, are you done being in the corner now?
Uh-huh.
How drunk are you, Lexi? On a scale of 1 to 10. Who's 1?
The baby daddy.
Lexi,
Uh-huh.
you get the car keys.
Give me the car keys.
Give me the car on the table. I already confiscated them. Let's go. Let's go. Freaking hilarious. Hey guys. You did a new trick I learned. What is it? 1, 2, 3. Lexi! You called? I'm gonna kill you! Over here! Stay over here! Mike!
Why are we in her car?
Lexi! Hello?
I think this is payback for taking her to the doctor.
You took me to where? Bitches! No! Alexis! You better come over here now! Or so help me, I will kick your ass when we get out of here!
You guys called?
Broke our friendship clause.
What friendship clause?
Remember that time when we were all drunk and someone said we should really have a friendship clause? I wrote it up, you guys signed it, and in clause 5...
Did you sign a clause?
I signed shit! Shut up, both of you! I'm gonna make you pay! Lexi!
I'm getting so tired of this.
You stupid bitch! Please!
Hey, you're lucky I didn't send you to Siberia. On second thought, that's not such a bad idea.
No! Where'd Tokyo?
Let's go get this.
Damn it.
See, this is why I failed geography. When's the next flight to Tokyo?